A world being ripped apart by its own star. A planet where molten glass cuts through the air. A dead star that somehow survived. A planet so dark it swallows almost all light. Space distorts at the edge of a black hole. These are the 5 deadliest places in the universe, and the final one is pure nightmare. First, the planet where it rains glass. This hot Jupiter orbits so close to its star that its skies are superheated and violent. Winds howl faster than sound, thousands of kilometers per hour. Silicate vapor condenses into microscopic glass, razor dust suspended in hurricane streams. The rain doesn't fall down. Supersonic crosswinds drive it sideways, an endless sandblaster of needles. Heat on the day side fuels a global conveyor, dragging storms around the planet without rest. A suit would shred. Lenses would frost with cuts in seconds. Every breath scoured, every step a mistake measured in micrometers of glass. From orbit, it glows like a jewel. Up close, it's a grinder. And somehow, it gets worse. A flare from its star thickens the storm. More heat, more shards, more speed. Beauty weaponized by weather. This planet is being torn apart, right now. Gravity grips its atmosphere and peels it away in glowing rivers. It's crossed the line where a world can hold itself together, the Roche limit. Tidal forces stretch it like taffy, raising mountains of fire that never cool. Even the dark side leaks light, heat and gas dragged away in a permanent tail. Hydrogen becomes a comet's veil around a dying giant. Orbit by orbit, the star eats more. The clock is set. The feast is slow. Day never ends here. Shade is a myth, and one day, nothing will be left. This star died, but somehow survived. What remains is a neutron star, a city-sized core heavier than a sun. Matter is crushed into neutrons. A teaspoon would outweigh mountains. It spins hundreds of times a second, raking space with radio knives. Magnetic fields lock and snap, firing storms across the vacuum. Each flash is a heartbeat that never tires. Sometimes it becomes a magnet R, fields 1 trillion times stronger than a fridge magnet is to steel. Crusts crack. Space screams in gamma and X-ray. Any world in reach is erased, not by heat, but by invisible lightning. But its power bends reality itself. Gravity slows time. Magnetism twists light. Vacuum turns hostile. This planet is darker than coal. TRES-2b reflects almost no light, an ink drop orbiting a candle. We don't see it. We see its absence, light missing as it passes. Its atmosphere likely swallows photons, metallic vapors and heat that turn day into pitch. Only a dull ember leaks from the furnace below. Stand near it, and stars vanish, like someone cut a hole in the sky. Imagine standing there and seeing nothing. Your light disappears in arm's length. Depth, direction, horizon, gone. Darkness here isn't a lack, it's an active presence. This is a pit in the sky, and the pit looks back. We map it by the light it steals. NASA turned this black hole into sound, and it sounds terrifying. Waves in the cluster's gas are shifted up into our hearing, an ancient roar made audible. Matter spirals in, heats to millions of degrees, and the whole flexes the medium like a drum. Each pressure ripple is a note etched into space. Even light must bow. Time stretches, tones thicken. You don't hear it with ears out there, you feel it with everything you are. Sound carried in cosmic gas, droning for eons, carving circles in light years of fog. Edges blur, meanings thin. Gravity takes the sentence and holds the last word forever. But this sound is real. It is the voice of gravity working on matter. Translated, not imagined. Space isn't empty. It's full of places we could never survive. And these might only be the beginning.